بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. First of all, good morning everyone. I'm truly pleased to be with you this great morning. And at the beginning, I would like to extend my great appreciations to His Excellency Bandar Al-Kharayef and also His Excellency Al-Mdafer and the entire team that they have been able to work on this great collaborations that we're going to do. Supported by the President of King Abdulaziz University, Dr. Tarif. This MOU is not really a normal one. This is an integral part of our 2030 vision, where human capital development is an integral part of everything we do. This collaboration also is going to signal out how is the government and Ministry of Education are really keen on human capital development through a complete supply chain, where we look at the students from their classroom and make sure that they're fully integrated into what's the upstreams in terms of business required. We look at this as a way to enhance our output of students, that they are fully qualified, equipped with competencies and knowledge that really can serve the business and, most importantly, serve the transformation that the nation is going through. I think this is a great also opportunities for our great students, male and female, to capitalize on this collaborative model, where normally the educational institutions work in a silo and the business looking at something different. Today, the environment that it has been created by the directions of His Royal Highness, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, created a very strong collaborative model for private government to work on a more collaborative model that to ensure everything that we do is really has a very clear meaning. I'm very pleased that this is not the only collaborations that we have today from the higher education's part, but this is one of the most important ones, because this is going to serve one of the most important industry is the mining industry in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And I'm pretty sure on year to comes, we will remember this moment and we will remember the outcomes that our students will benefit from it. I will also try to conclude with one important element. We are not looking at this as a way of only creating jobs or providing qualified students to the industry, but we look at this as a way to enhance innovation and make sure that innovation is going to be an integral part, because any industry, in order for them to stay competitive, they have to invest on innovations, and I think you cannot do it without a human capital. Finally, thank you very much, and I look forward for more of this type of really engagement.
Well, in a true testament to strategic collaboration between the Ministry of Industry and Mineral Resources and King Abdulaziz University, and in pursuit of transforming the Faculty of Earth Sciences and the Department of Mining Engineering into the Saudi School of Mines, this agreement is envisioned as a cornerstone of mining education and talent development in the Kingdom. We are also honoured to welcome to the stage the patrons of this landmark agreement. His Excellency Khalid bin Salah Al Mudafa, Vice Minister of Industry and Mineral Resources for Mining Affairs. And His Excellency Tarif bin Yusuf Alama, President of King Abdulaziz University, for the exchange. To facilitate the exchange of the signed Agreement of Cooperation launching the Saudi School of Mines. And Excellencies, we kindly invite you to remain on stage now for the official group photograph to commemorate this very historic occasion. A third group from educational institutions right around the kingdom who have supported the preparations of the Future Mineral Forum